What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have my wife's Pixel 6 Pro. Now this had a Whitestone Dome on it, and it took a little tumble walking those two dogs. My wife was walking these dogs, and one of them got away, and she went to grab the leash, and the phone went flying. Yeah, it was quite an episode. So she's like, I think my screen is completely cracked, but as you can see, it has a Whitestone Dome on there. So we're gonna just take this apart a little bit, just kind of investigate the situation, see how much of this is actual damage or we did get actual great protection from Whitestone Dome on the Pixel 6 Pro. So we're gonna go into my bag of tricks so that I can see what the situation is here. Get my little guitar pick here. And kind of just see if we can take this out. It's probably gonna come apart piece by piece, but at least we can kind of take some of it apart slowly but surely. But like I said, man, this thing, it took a complete tumble. Gonna go ahead and get another guitar pick so I can take each side. But yeah, man, this thing, I'm telling you, I do respect Whitestone Dome because this thing definitely protected most of it. I don't know how much of it is actually damaged or how much of it was the actual screen protector, but we're gonna go ahead and take this off. I'm gonna have to order another one for her phone because obviously, you know, you can see she needs that protection. And you kind of just wiggle it a little bit. It's gonna crack, and you know, you're gonna have that situation where you're gonna have to have this maybe you know, just take it off little by little. But it does crack on you a little bit. As you can see, it's cracking up a little bit, as you can see there. But we're gonna go ahead and pull this off little by little. And as you can see, that top part is good. Yeah, it's kind of crazy, huh? Look at that. So we're gonna do it little by little, but I wanted to do a video so you guys can kind of see how this comes off on a Pixel 6 Pro and see what kind of protection you get on your Pixel 6 Pro. If this ever does happen to you, you can see it kind of landed on the bottom there. So that's where the most of the damage is. So we're gonna come from the bottom here and see if we can get this off. Like I said, be careful because this is coming off. It's not coming off as one piece. It's coming off in little pieces. But I did get a good piece here that I was able to kind of. You could smell the glue on this, bro. I was thinking maybe I should have left this on because my wife, she needs a screen protector. She needs it, bro. She's got to have a screen protector. But I'm working it little by little. But I did want to do a video so you guys can see. If you ever drop your stuff, you know how to take it off. You just do it little by little until it comes off. My wife's like, great, you're gonna take this opportunity, my disaster, for you to make a video. She's like, thanks a lot. I'm gonna come from the edge here. Probably the best way to get it off. Just come off the edge because you have a little bit of an opening there. But this is, man, I think that's where most of the glue is, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off so that we don't, you know, mess with the screen or whatever. A lot of the glue probably was built up and was on, you know, stuck on it. But we're gonna get it. I'm sorry, you guys can't see, or can you see? I don't know. There we go. He's like doing this video and you guys can't even see. He's like, yo, this guy just doesn't realize that we can't see the glass coming off. Knucklehead. All right, let me see here. Yeah, you just gotta be slow, yo. There we go. You gotta kind of work your way through it. And the glass, you gotta be careful. It's like, you know, it's kind of falling in little pieces. You don't want to get cut. So this does happen. You do it slow and steady, just like the turtle, baby. Man, this is crazy. This thing is on here pretty good. You know, if it's not cracked, it'll probably come off a little easier. So this is just, if you crack it, this is what you're basically gonna be dealing with. And you want to go slow because you don't want to crack the actual screen. You just want to take off the screen protector. But we're almost there. Look at, man, the state of Florida. That's all that's left. All right, so that guitar pick's not good. We're gonna have to go to the reserves. Okay, we got to go to the big boy. Now be careful with this. If you do it, just kind of come underneath it, so that way you don't, you know, you're not gonna scratch the screen. You know, you just kind of, you know, so that you can get this final piece off. But you don't want to dig in. You want to come to the side and go very, oh God, you guys can't see. There you go. You want to go very slow. So that it goes, yeah, this thing is, whew, super tight. Super tight. But we had to go into the reserves. We had to get the razor blade. I don't like to use this because I don't want risk scratching it up. But as you can see, I think we're gonna be all right. Let's see what the final result is. I think we are gonna have some scratches here on the bottom, as you can see there. But overall, the phone is not cracked. As you can see, there's all the evidence. You can see right there. But the Pixel 6 Pro is in perfect shape. Right there. Just a little scratches from it kind of falling in the street forward. But other than that, we good to go. Thanks for watching this video, man. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you join the club. Hit that notification bell. Hit that thumbs up. Donate money. Give me a call. Let's hang out. I'm out. Peace.